Reading and Learning with teacher Jake. Let's start. Can, could. Liam can run very fast in races. When he was younger, he could only jog slowly. Now he can jump over hurdles and finish first. He hopes that one day he can join a national running team. Liam believes anything is possible with practice. He trains every morning to get stronger and faster. Now it's your turn to read. Are you ready? Please read. Good job! Now let us answer the following. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Number 1. What can he do now that he couldn't do before? What can he do now that he couldn't do before? A. Walk slowly. B. Jump over hurdles. C. Swim fast. B. Jump over hurdles. Number 2. What did Liam could only do when he was younger? What did Liam could only do when he was younger? A. Jog slowly. B. Run very fast. Or C. Jump high. A. Jog slowly. Number 3. Why does Liam train every morning? Why does Liam train every morning? A. To get stronger and faster. B. To play video games. Or C. To learn how to swim. A. To get stronger and faster. Good job! Let us go to the next lesson. Will, would. I think I will visit Grandma this weekend. She said she would bake my favorite cookies if I came. I will help her water the garden and clean the house. She promised she would tell me stories about her childhood too. Spending time with Grandma is always precious and fun. Now it's your turn to read. Are you ready? Please read. Good job! Now, let us answer the following. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Number 1. When will the narrator visit Grandma? When will the narrator visit Grandma? A. Next month. B. This weekend. Or C. Yesterday. B. This weekend. Number 2. What did Grandma say she would do if he came? What did Grandma say she would do if he came? A. Bake cookies. B. Take him to the park. Or C. Buy a new book. A. Bake cookies. Number 3. What will he do at Grandma's house? What will he do at Grandma's house? A. Watch TV all day. B. Sleep all afternoon. Or C. Help water the garden and clean. C. Help water the garden and clean. Good job! Let us go to the next lesson. Shall, should. Mom asked, "What shall we cook for dinner?" I suggested pizza, but she said we should have something healthier. Maybe we shall make a big salad, Mom said. But you should help me wash the vegetables first. I agreed because helping in the kitchen is a good way to help my mother. Now it's your turn to read. Are you ready? Please read. Good job! Now let us answer the following. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Number 1. What did Mom ask about dinner? What did Mom ask about dinner? A. What shall we cook? B. Where shall we go? Or C. When shall we eat? A. What shall we cook? Number 2. What did Mom say they should have for dinner? What did Mom say they should have for dinner? A. A big salad. B. Spaghetti. Or C. Vegetable soup. A. A big salad. Number 3. What should she do before making the salad? What should she do before making the salad? A. Set the table. B. Wash the vegetables. Or C. Bake a cake. B. Wash the vegetables. Good job! Let us review our lesson today. Can is for things you can do. I can ride a bike. Could is for past abilities or polite requests. When I was little, I could only ride with training wheels. Could you help me, please? Will is used for future actions or promises. I will visit Grandma tomorrow. Would is used for past possibilities, polite requests, or imaginary situations. When I was younger, I would visit Grandma every summer. Would you help me, please? If I had wings, I would fly. Both could and would are used for polite requests. Could asks if someone is able to do something. Could you open the window, please? Are you able to open it? Would is more about willingness to do something. Would you help me with my homework? Are you willing to help me? Both are polite, but would sounds a bit more formal and polite than could in some cases. Shall is used for suggestions or future intentions. Shall we go to the park? Suggestion. Should is used for advice or something important. You should eat more vegetables. Advice.